Deleting your GetResponse account is a straightforward process, but it's important to consider the consequences, such as losing all your data, contacts, and campaigns. Here's how to delete your GetResponse account. Log into your GetResponse account. Open your browser and go to the GetResponse login page. Enter your login credentials and access your account. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Request account deletion. In the Account Settings section, go to the Billing tab. Scroll down to the bottom and find the Cancel Account or Delete Account option. Click on the link to initiate the account cancellation process. Confirm your decision. GetResponse will ask for confirmation and may provide information on the consequences of deleting your account. Confirm your request to delete the account. You might be asked to provide feedback or reason for cancellation. Receive confirmation. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation email from GetResponse. The account will be permanently deleted after a few days.